Butcha!
Oh, go on.
Wait, it is a there too?
Yeah, you know, Miss Brissett.
This not like a police visit today. Look, boss, though.
It's not a police visit. It's a friendly neighborhood visit.
Always welcome, man. So what that mean? I drink 2 beer.
You know what my favorite that plus time at?
No, gentlemen. As much as how I would like to indulge, I don't know. No drinking on the job.
So when you say it's a friendly visit, you think on half duty?
With our work, we're never off duty.
Well, all the things me are going, you know. Weapons are get clean up. Big rifle find in a van. It is in a year we're going. The agent do a good job.
Yeah, man. All fridge load. And me, they don't buy the beer them still, you know, but you can't drink on the job.
You know, so that was circle for talk to him about. You say anything to Butcha?
You know, say I me come to talk to him about, but I not say it to him yet.
How about that?
The first thing is, the youth will start the war over 21. Syva, we see him on camera. And him dip on the loose. And he might want to try circle over here, so only keep on the eyes them on the ground.
I'm link with some serious people. We do some gun running thing. I feel like say over here so them want use.
Over here.
Miss Brissett, know yourself, man. You're not going to come over here so with that. Because I know every man on the ground smarter than that. Plus, them can't come to me. The others.
That me you know.
Well, we just have to make them know what we're going. Some want to keep on the ears and on the eyes to the ground. Yeah? We just have to pass on fast. Just to make sure so the eye them alright.
Much respect, Miss Brissett.
Hold on. Lock up yourself. It is. Them know say we have sense over here, man. I walk to them.
Forward now, whisper.
Yeah. That's all it is.
What if we can trust them boy? What if we boy them over 21 say them boy are police informer? What if we can trust them?
You realize anything suspicious with them two there?
Them look uneasy. Like some kind of tension there.
I forgot make sure so them camera the service. So we can have another pair of eyes over here, so.
So you can go and use the drone.
No. Can't use drone in a them area. It's too obvious. Cause it have to fly low.
Something about Butcha the while though. I don't like how him did that move.
Him there move antsy and jittery. Man all a sweat.
You know, say a back way the man walk there in the studio.
Back way. That would have seemed like him strapped.
Yeah. And when him step out back, close up, pull up. Like him go pull up so.
That means now we have to keep our eye on them again. Tell you don't know whisper. You see this time, if them get themselves in any kind of problem, there will be no leniency. Put my neck on the block too much now for them here boy.
Well, you know, so the two of them on the same page with that.
Yeti, tell me that joke you make. See, I say, when I have no location at all? Oh.
What bossy?
Tony said the laptop lock off. And it lock off right as it come off of Palisades. I'm going to say if I can touch base with numbers. See if him can help me in this.
Alright. Hello? Oh, yes, sir.